Today, Dr. Sarah Benn, a GP is in Manchester, waiting for a decision from the GMC this afternoon about whether or not she will be struck off.
We would urge the GMC really to assess that case in a lenient way and ensure that we are acknowledging that these climate activists are doing what they can to protect patient safety.
Dr. Sarah Benn held a placard on a verge at an oil terminal in Warwickshire, and the oil terminal has an injunction against any form of protest, and therefore Sarah had a prison sentence as a result of breaking that injunction.
It's worth noting that over recent months, arrests for peaceful climate protests have been far more likely due to the draconian changes in the law which the UN and the United Nations have described as alarming and troubling.
There really can be no moral justification for penalising a doctor for doing what is their duty first and foremost, which is to protect patients from harm.
We're also asking for climate action, for the GMC to lead by example in their own net zero plans.
We believe that our medical regulators should ensure that they are divesting from fossil fuel companies, including the people that they bank with, because we do not want our hard-earned money to be funding the fossil fuel crisis, which is causing havoc on human health.
Occupational moral injury refers to the feeling that health professionals have when they are practicing in an environment which is not an environment that's conducive to allow them to provide the care that they feel is needed.
We need to send a really clear message to the GMC about an ethical compass for our profession in what is a global health emergency.
The GMC is a really influential organisation. The regulator can lead and to send a message that protecting patients from the climate emergency is an urgent need.
So our message to the GMC is that they shouldn't be punishing health professionals for trying to take action to raise awareness about the climate crisis, because that ultimately is an action that's being done to protect patients' health.
We have thousands of patients signing a petition in support of these doctors, and therefore that is evidence of those patients' ongoing trust in the profession as we speak out on the climate crisis.
And I sincerely hope that upstairs in this building that they do start listening to this really important message for all of us, not just in this country, but globally, and start listening in a hurry. And thank you for listening to me.